Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can translate your text in Google Sheets. So it's very important and very easy, and you can see this is my data. You can see the student name, and I want to convert that data into, if for example I want to convert student's name into Hindi language or Punjabi language or Korean language, and you can convert it into any language. So very simple. So for that I will be using a formula. So just use equals to sign and then use Google Translate, as you can see. So Google Translate, and you can see it takes three arguments. First argument is the text, second is the source language, and another one is the target language. So I will select this text. Okay, and next is the source language, and for that I will use en. So here I will be using a language code. It is the language text in English, so that I will use en. And then next is the target language, and for Hindi I will use hi, and I will close the bracket. And in case if you want to know about the language code, you can search it in the Google, that, and then press enter, and you can see it is loading and text has been translated into Hindi. And just drag this formula, and you can see all the students name are now you can see in the Hindi language. So it's very easy. Now let's convert it into the Punjabi language. So just use Google Translate, and again same, select the text, and source language is English, and then target language is, for Punjabi I will use PA. Close it and close the bracket and press enter, and you can see the text has been converted into Punjabi language. Just drag this formula, and you can see the text has been converted into Punjabi language. Now let's convert the text into Korean. So just again use Google Translate, select the text, and then source language is again English, and target language is, for Korean I will use KO. Close the bracket, press enter, and you can see the text has been converted into Korean language. So you can see all my text has been converted into different languages. Text has been translated into Hindi, Punjabi and Korean, and you can you can convert the text into any language. For example, if you are not sure about the language code of any particular language, for example you can just type in the Google language code for, let's say, Chinese, and here you can see for Chinese it is CN. So for Chinese you can use CN code, and you can use the code here. So it's very easy, and it's very helpful. For the demo purpose I have just converted the student's name into the different, I have translated into different languages. So you can convert any text into any language with the help of Google Translate formula. That's all. Thank you.